It's time for the awards portion of tonight's program. And we'll begin with the 2016 STEM Hero Awards, and then proceed to our 2016 HENAC Luminaries from the defense industry. To present our first two STEM Hero Award recipients, please welcome the Director of the Global Positioning Systems Directorate, Space and Missile Systems Center, Air Force Space Command, Los Angeles Air Force Base, Colonel Steve Whitney.
Thank you very much. It is truly an honor, and sir, I'm very disappointed. I'm the space guy, so I got to do the Buzz Lightyear thing. So, it is my honor to be here tonight and present two of your STEM heroes. Specifically, I get to the opportunity to present. I'll start with Mr. Jeremy Bouvet. Mr. Jeremy Bouvet is the Chief Engineer for the United States Air Force's Multi-Mission Space Operations Center. He joined the Air Force in 2009 as a software test engineer for deployable antennas systems, where he was instrumental in testing the newly delivered Global Space Tracking Resource Antenna. In his current role, he has architected and overseen the installation of two major system upgrades over this past 2 years, and he's led partnerships with other government agencies and industry to make substantial improvements, including NASA and the Naval Research Lab. Mr. Bouvet is also the Chief of Systems Engineering and Test Flight Program, where he oversees an annual budget of $3 million and accomplishes amazing tasks with that small budget. For example, a legacy station was recently replaced its entire system and its entire existing for only $25 million, saving approximately 80%. He also serves as the chairman of the Configuration Control Board for the Multi-Mission Space Operations Center, the body that oversees any of the engineering changes, the control, and making sure it matches what it's going to do is necessary as we control our satellites. His efforts have resulted in the Air Force Space Command's recent direction that the Multi-Mission Operations Center will be the foundation for all future satellite communications and command and control. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating Mr. Jeremy Bouvet.
First off, thanks to great minds in STEM for dedicating their time and honoring those making strides in science, technology, engineering, and math. It's a great honor. I grew up in a small town, in a small farm community, and I learned the value in real hard work. I put in lots of laborious days harvesting crops with my father. It taught me that hard work wasn't something that I needed to be afraid of, but it also taught me that I didn't want to be obligated to do hard work every day of my life. My parents always stressed that I would go to college and I would be the first to finish. And the skills that I learned growing up on a farm pushed me straight towards engineering. I thank my wife for helping me balance my life between work and the family. And I thank my children, who I really look forward to pushing towards science and helping them with their science projects someday. For all of you students out there who are dreaming, don't be distracted. Make sure that your education is your highest priority and don't ever stop dreaming. There's plenty of time in life to be distracted later. Thank you.